Introducing the all-new 6th generation Honda CR-V, the ultimate all-round family vehicle. Every aspect of the all-new CR-V has been enhanced, offering the perfect blend of sportiness, practicality, and refinement. This flagship SUV is offered in all-wheel drive hybrid or front-wheel drive plug-in hybrid options. CR-V is the first Honda vehicle in Europe to offer Honda Sensing 360, the company's latest omnidirectional safety and driver assist system. The 6th generation of the Honda CR-V debuts with a bolder, more confident appearance and exceptional levels of practicality, safety, connectivity, and comfort. You can choose from a full hybrid, e-HEV, powertrain or, for the first time in Europe, a plug-in hybrid, e-PHEV, option. Engineers have refined every aspect of the latest model with a focus on the advanced and sporty values of the Honda brand. Segment-leading levels of active safety have been achieved thanks to the first European application of Honda Sensing 360. The all-new CR-V retains its familiar silhouette but with a design evolution that increases its road presence. With a longer wheelbase and wider stance, the CR-V offers spaciousness comparable to that of a D-segment SUV. This latest iteration is the ultimate SUV, offering a unique and dynamic product that perfectly suits the current demands of the European market. The all-new Honda CR-V will be available to order soon, with customer deliveries starting from October. Experience the future of SUVs with the all-new Honda CR-V. Visit our website to learn more.